Hello everyone. Want to withdraw your buying power from Robinhood? In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn it into cash that you can transfer to your bank account. Now, buying power on Robinhood is the available cash and margin you have to trade. However, not all of it is withdrawable right away. Funds from stock sales take 2 business days to settle before they can be withdrawn. First, check your buying power on Robinhood. Now, go to your account tab, right? And then look for buying power. Let me quickly show you the tabs. Okay. So, if your funds are from a recent stock sale, you will need to wait for the settlement period, and stocks take 2 business days while options take 1 day. So, now you know buying power, what is buying power, and when to withdraw. Now, if you qualify for Robinhood instant transfers, small amounts of cash can be transferred faster. However, most withdrawal takes 3 to 5 business days to reach your bank account. That is. So here are some common troubleshooting issues. Like if your withdrawal isn't going through, so check these common issues first. Like funds may still be settling, your bank account might not be linked correctly, or there is a 50,000 daily withdrawal limit. So these are the common troubleshooting steps. And make sure to keep in mind before withdrawing any buying power. And finally, to summarize, confirm your buying power, wait for funds to settle, and then transfer them to your bank account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick tutorials.